Hi, I am Carla Paricio. The beach. Last year, I went on a vacation to the coast. I traveled by plane, and it was very happy because I was going to visit friends who lives there. Um, I go to my friend's house. There, she already had the whole list of places we were going to visit. I visited beautiful beaches where we had to take a taxi and the right boats, canoes, boats to get there. We tried typical foods in different restaurants and enjoyed my vacation to the fullest. I love we beach and the aquarium. I will definitely return. Bye bye.